A, third finger G, F first finger, shift down to the third finger, we're back in 10th position now, E third finger, 12th fret, then the first finger on D, first string, 10th fret, the fourth finger on C, which is the 13th fret, second string, B, which is the third finger on the 12th fret, and then A, which is the 10th fret, first finger. The fourth finger is going to go on to the G. The second finger is going to go on to the 10th fret F. The first finger is going to go on to the 9th fret E. Now the fourth finger is going to go to the 4th string D, 12th fret, second finger, 10th fret C, first finger, 9th fret B, and then finally A with the 4th finger on the 12th fret.